See, she doesn't need a present. She just wants a bag for her birthday.
She's trying to get it out. Now she's got it further in. There you go. What's in it? She's full. Get her over here, Daryl. Get her over here. I know what it is. What is it?
Get it out of here. Oh, I'm gonna kill it.
Oh, look at that. You are. Oh,
Feathers!
She's like, what's it now? That must be full of kisses. Look at the paper stuck on her. It's stuck on her side. Oh, she's too cute.
Okay, she's done.
What are they taking my picture
Yup.
for? Paper!